Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a very easy chicken pot pie with our leftover chicken from yesterday when we did use the Boursin cheese. This is my leftover chicken. I don't know if I'm going to use all of it. I might use all of it. We'll start dicing it up because I want it in smaller pieces since it's going to be in a pot pie. And I have some cream mushroom soup, some diced potatoes, some chicken bouillon, already prepared pie crust. These were on sale at Walmart for $1.86. Some fresh onion, and then I have to get the peas and carrots out of the freezer. But come along with me, and I'll show you how I'm going to do this. It's going to be really quick. The longest thing it's going to take is for it to bake. It's going to take about an hour. So let me grab those peas and carrots, and we'll get started. All right, so let's just go ahead and get the mixture put together first. Let me grab a cutting board here and a knife. Whoops. So let's do the chicken first. Let's grab a handful. Basically, I just want this kind of in bite-sized pieces. And I'm going to say maybe 2 cups, approximately. So maybe we won't use all of this chicken. We might just have to wing it. We're going to wing it. And let's bring that over here a little bit. And then we're going to dice up the other half of this onion that we didn't use yesterday. And you can put this in a smaller or as big a dice as you would prefer. And let's wash our hands real quick. All right, so in our mixing bowl here, we are going to add this big can of cream of mushroom soup. I would prefer to use a can of chicken, cream of chicken, and a can of celery, but I don't have any, so we're using what we do have. And this is fine. This is going to be just fine. There's my can over there. And then I drained these diced potatoes. So I'll add those in. And I'm going to add in our peas and carrots. Scissors. And we're going to start with half the bag. Give that a good mix. Okay, and then we're going to add in 1 pack of chicken seasoning. I think this is that chicken pack of seasoning would kind of make it that, what you call it, like creamy chicken taste. And then we'll throw in our chicken and onions. I'm going to give that a stir. It would also be good in this. I just haven't think about it. We should throw about a cup of cheese. Let me grab some cheese just a second. We're going to throw in about a cup of extra sharp cheddar. Actually, that's probably not quite a cup because I think those are 2-cup bags. So that's like about a quarter of that bag. So like a half a cup. Look at that. It's looking amazing. We need some pepper. We're not putting any salt in there because of the cream of mushroom soup, the chicken bouillon, and the cheese. So we're not going to put any more salt. Oh, smells so good. Do you guys like chicken pot pie? Oh, I love turkey pot pie. Is my favorite. My absolute favorite is turkey pot pie. But I'll take me a good chicken pot pie. All right. So hopefully you guys could see all that. Trying to keep my camera here. That smells divine. All right, then we'll go ahead and get our pie crust put in our pie plate. All right. Open up one of these crusts. And we'll just unroll it right up. Throw it in the bottom of this pan as even as we can. Make sure it's in the corners best we can. That. Now we'll throw in our filling. Out the best we can. Kind of press it in also. Make sure it just gets down in the bubbles or in the hole or the crevices so we don't have bubbles, which it's going to bubble, obviously. Okay, and open up the other one. See how simple this is? Elizabeth and I, to JJ and baby Kent, that's your mom, your mama, we can't wait for after Thanksgiving dinner, and we use all of our leftovers to make a turkey pot pie, a Thanksgiving turkey pot pie. It's like our most favorite thing. We just set up, put our pies next to each other, and we just start collecting all the leftovers. Okay, so basically all I'm doing is I'm trying to move that out and tuck this right under there. It doesn't have to be pretty. Nobody cares, just for us. I totally could have rolled out that lower one to make it a little bit bigger so that we could do an easy fold over. But I'm not that worried about it. It's just for me. Nobody else is going to eat this, so. So basically I'm just folding this top under. Spread that back out so it's to the edge. It's not going to be pretty, but it's going to be delicious. Just like that. So then we just press it out back into the circular shape. There we go. And we're going to some holes in it, kind of like a pie. There. Now you can totally brush this with some egg if you want it shiny, but we're not gonna do all of that. We're just gonna throw it in the oven at 450 degrees. I'll set the timer for 50 minutes. I would think it's probably going to take just about an hour though, but we'll go with 15 minutes and then we'll come back and see what it looks like. Alright, through here I can see that the sides, the edges I should say, are getting a little brown, which is what you want, but I don't want them to get dark. So we're going to put our protector on here. Go. Protector on there. Put it back in to finish up. Alright, I think we're done. We're at an hour. Ooh, looks pretty. It's steaming hot. Oven off. That. Beautiful. Alright, so I took the ring off. Now we're going to need this to cool down. As you can see, it's bubbling hot. Can you see that? It's just bubbling. Yum. Alright, then we'll come back in a little bit. Okay, so let's cut into this. It's watery. I was worried it was going to be dry. Dish up here. Woo. Woo. Almost like lasagna. All right. It smells good. Ooh, it doesn't smell enough season though. Let's grab a fork and then we'll do a taste test with this. What it looks like. Pretty excited. All right, let's move the camera. All right, let's do a taste test. It's probably gonna be pretty hot. Well, it has plenty of flavor. Doesn't smell like it. Definitely try this. You do have the mushroomy taste because we use creamy mushroom soup instead of the chicken and celery. But it's delicious. It's so good. You know what? Should be good adding some noodles on the side. Or put this over a biscuit too. Oh, you know what? We could have put this mixture in a baking sheet, like a cake pan, and then put biscuits on top of it, like dumplings. Oh yeah, that'd be good. This is a really good pot pie. I highly recommend this. I hope you guys try this. If you have another idea or whatever, I mean, I just used our leftover chicken. I still have leftover mushrooms and onions, which I think I'm going to do a quiche with. So stay tuned for that. I think that's what I'm going to do. I might do something different, but that's what I'm thinking right now. But you guys take care to my bubbies. I love you so much. I hope your mommies make this for you. You be good. You be good to your parents. I love you. I'll see you soon. Bye.